I don't want you shooting it in the air. I want you shooting it at the neighbors, at our shed.
Epic fail.
That's a mover.
Bouncer. Oh, where's the lawn?
Aim at the shed?
Don't aim at the shed.
Don't aim at the shed, aim at the tree.
See that big tree right in the middle? Hit that. No, the big one.
Don't put it up by your face. There you go. Listen, Jake, listen, don't let that touch you. Hold it this way. Like that. There you go. Wait, get out of here. Go on.
Chick, what are you recording right now? Or
Why not?
just keep it right now.
No.
Wait. Yeah. Give me like 5 seconds.
Extra spray. Oh, yeah. Right on. Here we go.
Don't aim it in the air, Mitch.
This baby's got to go out of orbit.
No.
Fine.
Put it against your body. There you
There you
go.
go.
No. Don't aim it at Dave's place. That way. That way.
Ooh,
That was good.
there's a shot. That is huge.
Down.
Okay, a little less.
Thanks. Just touch the button.
Yeah, don't touch this little like.
Don't touch that up against you. Listen.
Wait,
Hold it like that. Put your hand right here. It's a button. There you go. All right, I got this.
Name that big tree in the middle.
Right there. Go.
Nice. Hey, go grab some of those potatoes and bring them back.
Nothing bad's gonna happen. I'm standing behind the glass going,
One more.
nothing can hurt me.
Starting fluid.
Same problem we had there.
Very unblended.
Goofy.
That's the same problem we had at the beach.
Hairspray's a trick.
Stuff is.
Epic fail. Hey, go grab that.
1, 2, 3.
A little bit extra for an extra boost.
Redneck's
Shoot up a little. Shoot up a little high.
Hey, look at this.
A little high. Oh my god!
There you go.
It didn't come down from the tree.
It's got to be a record. Hairspray.